are central banks still in control, or are we basically underestimating policy risks already? What do you make of the recent changes or recent announcements that we've seen from global central banks?
So, Sonal, to answer your question, I'll divide the central banks around the world into two. The central bankers of countries like India, China, Russia, and some countries in the Middle East, I'll put them in one corner. And in the second corner, I'll put central bankers like the US Fed and the Western economy. I believe the Asian central banks very well aware of this risk. And as a result, if you see, the data shows, approximately 1,200 tons of gold has been bought by the central banks since the Russian invasion of Ukraine. So they are already preparing for what is going to come. Now, US Fed is in a big trouble. See, America has $38 trillion of debt. The American economy's GDP is $30 trillion. So the debt to GDP is approximately 120 to 124%, which is the highest ever in the history of the US economy. Also, they have to pay $1.25 trillion of interest to service the debt, which is only increasing by the day. Now, that is more than the defense and the healthcare budget of the country. So, US Fed is in a mix. It's not an easy decision whether to control inflation or to, if they increase interest rate, they are in trouble. If they do not increase interest rate, they are in trouble. So I'll say the Western central banks are not that much in control, and they are in a very big trouble. The Asian central banks are taking control, and they're moving into precious metals.
Got it.